Well, good afternoon. Welcome to our Ag Market Network afternoon update. We have had a very busy day today with the news at 11 o'clock coming out from the crop report. We've had very strong reactions from that. The numbers that came out were very bearish for corn and for soybeans and very bullish for cotton. Big surprises for both of those. We'll go over some of the numbers in just a minute. Let's look just now and see where we closed. The cotton market just closed up 282 points at 64.64. It saw a high today of 64.82. It was made about 11:05 this morning, right after the crop report. The low is 61.20. It took place last night, probably around 3 o'clock in the morning. Looking at the surprise in cotton was ending stocks were 3.1 million bales. Expected, or the estimate was 4.31. So they were off quite a bit on that. November soybeans today down 60.5 at 910.5. Had a high this morning at 976 and a low right after the crop report. It got down the 70-cent limit and traded 901.5. The carry out there, the expectation was for 247 million bushels. It actually came out 470 million bushels, almost twice what they'd anticipated. So the market immediately got hit. December corn down 18 3/4 at 368 3/4. It saw a high of 393.5, made this morning about 345, and then right after the crop report, it traded and made its low at 357.5. That was limit down. It ended up closing off of that, but still down quite a bit. The expectation for carryout in corn was 1.427 billion bushels. It actually came out at 1.7 billion bushels. The wheat number was pretty much in line with what they thought. Wheat moved down in sympathy with beans and corn. Wheat down 12.5 at 494 3/4, a high of 514 3/4, made this morning about 915. A low made right after the crop report. It got down to 484 at one point. Looking at other markets, outside markets, the dollar down 101 on the day. Crude oil up 40 cents a barrel. Gold up $15 an ounce, and silver up 20 cents an ounce. The Dow Jones right now down about 90. Calendar for tomorrow, we will have a special report tomorrow at 7:30. The Ag Market Network monthly teleconference will be broadcast. We will have our usual panel with us, and we'll have Gerald Nieper discuss the surprising crop report that came out today, and then we're going to a panel discussion that Bob Anashak will lead with two of our speakers. And that discussion will be about sustainability in cotton. Those speakers, Patrick Lane with BCI, will be with us, along with Michael Kabori, who is Vice President of Sustainability with Levi Strauss. Should be a great program. Make sure you join us tomorrow morning for the monthly Ag Market Network teleconference. Thanks.